Good morning! Look at my lashes. They're still pretty good. It's been like a week and a half since I filmed that video now. Damn, girl. They working, they twerking. Okay, so today's objective is gonna be to turn this train wreck of a girl with no makeup and wet hair into a diva. A diva that gets shit done. Diva is a female version of a hustler. By the way, guys, I don't know if y'all follow me on Instagram or not, which you should, bitch. I've been posting a lot of like my workout videos. I've been working out straight for like a month and a half now, I think. And check out the guns, okay? They're coming in, okay? They are coming in. So are the glutes. I just work out one muscle group a day. So, you know, like chest day, arms day, back and shoulders day, leg day. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, abs. I usually fit abs in with either legs or arms, but yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna start by giving this face some moisture for the day with this Ultra Repair Cannabis and Oat Dry Oil, safe for sensitive skin. But this is from First Aid Beauty. Oh my gosh. This stuff is literally made with CBD, so... Okay. Absolutely love these beauty blenders from Sonia Kashuk, or Kashuk? Cashew, I don't freaking know, but they sell them at Target. I have been using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. So I just got the nude ivory one, and I think they were out of my actual shade. The only thing about this is it does smell weird. It smells like pretty much straight up paint. But you see how much space this takes up and how fast I'm just able to get through one half of my face. And I really like the level of coverage this has and how it sits on the skin, because it doesn't look like you're wearing a bunch of foundation. Not to mention the price of it is super good. Okay, and then of course I go over that with my Born This Way multi-sculpting concealer, and this kind of evens out the lightness of my face a lot, which is weird because I'm putting on a concealer that is like pretty much darker than my foundation, but it looks good in the end. Just wait. This concealer is just straight from heaven, I'm telling you. Coverage is so full. Yes, bitch. To set the face, I'm going to be using this Dermablend Professional Illuminating Powder. It's banana powder. Eyelids are always first when it comes to setting. You don't want all that concealer setting in your eyelid creases. And then under eyes. Alright, so y'all know I'm cruelty free, but I recently ran out of my Anastasia Brow Wiz, but I do still have my Precisely brow pencil from Benefit. This is not cruelty free. I still have it from before I went cruelty free, and you just gotta cut me some slack here because I gotta do my eyebrows. Disclaimer. Oh wow, is this over too? But I do have this goof-proof pencil from Benefit. So lately I've been really drawn to this Picante palette by Cruelty. By the way, every time you buy an eyeshadow palette from Cruelty, they donate a meal to an animal in need. So I'm gonna start with the color Dune right here. Now we got the sandy yellow look going on. So now I'm going to go into my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to be using this color right here. And guys, I'm going back to that yellow color and I'm bringing it all the way in. Now I'm going to go in with a little angle brush and put an even darker brown in the corner, or in the outer crease. I'm going to use the brown right next to that brown we just used. Blend that out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this little Pop Beauty palette right there. That's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with this liquid liner from Kat Von D, and it's the Trooper Black. Okay, so I'm definitely going to end up slicing that wing off a little bit because it's a little too long for my comfort, but I'm not going to do that until after I'm done with this. Okay, so now we have two extremely extravagant wings. I got my handy dandy makeup wipe here, and I'm just gonna think I'm happy with that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with the concealer and cover that up. Mascara time. So I'm gonna be using the Kush mascara from Milk. So for contour today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Pineapple Sun duo thing like this. For blush today, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Duo. This smells like strawberries. It's so cute. And I'm also going to use this like more peachy one. For highlighter, I'm just going to use the Pillow Talk by Ofra. I'm going to take this precise pencil brush and alright, and now my favorite lip color as of lately, which is the Au Naturel shade in the Matte Last Liquid Lip by Pixi by Petra. I honestly love this entire line of lipsticks because they are all infused with rosehip oil, which is amazing. So yeah, they're a lot less like drying out than other ones. We're just gonna go with a hair down look today. Oh, and I can't forget setting spray because it's still the morning time and I want this to last all day, so I'm just gonna put a little all-nighter on that. Okay guys, I think that is the end of this transformation. You guys got to see a little bit of what my daily routine is looking like now. I've been using that Wet n Wild foundation and I've been getting a lot of compliments on my foundation too, so maybe y'all should check that out. It's super cheap. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It would help me out a lot if you did that. Also hit that subscribe button if you want to be a part of this amazing family. Hit the little bell icon button right next to subscribe so that you get notifications every time I post. And follow me on my socials, you know, comment down below if you have any thoughts. I love you guys so much and I hope to see you back for my next video. Bye guys.